1, 2, ready, go.
Hi guys.
So good evening, guys. Okay, you guys, so we want to unbox our Christmas clothes. We actually made a vlog in the family channel where we went to go and buy these clothes. Let me show you guys the ones that we decided to get. Okay, so these are it. This clothes, you guys, it's what 50,000 naira, and this is the nylon that this girl put this clothes for us. Can you imagine? Packaging no get
50,000 naira worth of clothes. This is the nylon.
Put that one inside this nylon.
Look at Beverly. Look at Beverly. Beverly is so happy. Beverly is so happy. So
we bought this one. I hope these things are comfortable. So we bought this particular clothes. What did she call this clothes? Hoodie or something?
It's not hoodie.
It's what?
Bushy.
No, it's not.
Drag.
Maybe this is bushy.
I know it's Gucci, whatever they wrote Gucci on top, but the name of the cloth, that's what I'm trying to remember.
Yeah.
So this one here is actually for Venice. Is it for Venice? Yeah, for Venice. This one. And this is the black one is actually the one we took. So this particular one is for Venice. And you guys, that lady sold that clothes for 10,000 naira. And then this one is for Beverly. So I decided to buy the same clothes for Beverly and Venice. And this is the top. I wanted to, for Beverly, I wanted to choose the red one, but I kind of feel that since my kids are actually fair, you know, the black one, you know, kind of complements their color, you know, bringing their color out, yeah. And, you know, the brown and the gold combination, yeah.
Say brown.
Black. Did I say brown? Okay. I'm making a video. Stop making noise.
Don't sit down.
So you guys, we actually chose. I said I'm making a video.
I'll spank you now.
I'll spank you now. I'm saying I'm making a video.
Thank you.
So we actually bought a jean trouser. I've actually not even tested this jean on Venice. I just hope it's a size her. Because she was crying. Whenever you wear Venice a new cloth or shoe, don't even consider or think about removing it, because if you remove it, like, she's gonna cry her eyes out. So that's actually for Venice. Yeah, I was like, this one is big. And this one is for Beverly. So I wanted to buy something that is at least a little. Why is this place looking dirty?
She fell down with it that time.
See? It's looking dirty. She fell down with it. We have to scrub it. So this one is for Beverly. I actually wanted to buy something that is a little longer, so that at least she would wear it for, even if it's 6 months or thereabouts. Do you understand?
Just say 3 months.
Because if I buy her size, then she'll just grow out of it in the next few months. So this particular big one is for the big girls in the house, big girls in the building. So yeah, this one is for Lizzie. I love this design. Let me don't block you guys. I love this design on this trouser. So you guys, the trouser looks short, right? Yes, because it's 3/4. We have to fold it, you know, put on shoe. What do they call that shoe?
Which shoe?
This kind of shoe.
Canvas.
canvas or
Sneakers.
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 You know, put on sneakers. You know, and it's gonna be looking. So this top, I said top. My brain skipping. This trouser is very beautiful, and I'm sure you don't have this kind of color of trouser. You have black, you have blue, but you have hash. But I know that you don't have this type of blue. This type of blue that has this white something.
So beautiful.
Yeah, and this design on it, right? They look alike.
Let me hold this one.
Oh yeah, you hold this one. See, look at that. So this one is for Bernice.
To show that they are sisters when they are going out.
Yes. So this one is for Bernice. This one is for Beverly, and this one is for Lizzie. Okay. Can you put it? Let's. Elizabeth, not Lizzie. Beverly said I should not call Lizzie. Lizzie, that is Elizabeth.
Yes.
So this is Lizzie's top. We're actually contemplating on buying the white or the yellow and stuff. And then she was saying no, she does not want white because it's going to get dirty soon. The daddy was saying, wear white because I don't want it to get yellow. And I was like, Madam, which one do you like? Since it's Christmas clothes, let her just choose the one she likes.
The one her mind. One wherever she wears it, she's happy with it.
Yes, you know, so she got that. So we now bought one small top for Bernice. This pink top. And we now also got chiffon top for Beverly. So we got shoe for Bernice because you guys, Bernice among Beverly, Bernice and Elizabeth, Bernice is the least person that has shoes. Beverly has a whole lot of shoes and stuff, you know. Beverly is very lucky. A lot of people actually dash her shoes when she came to this planet Earth, that she's even still wearing some of them now. Elizabeth too is very lucky because like plenty of my shoe that's, let's say, like the other one I just gave her, I wore it just once and I bought that shoe.
Yes.
I bought, you don't think that, I don't even forget. I bought that shoe 12,000 naira, and I wore it just once. And because you know I was pregnant for this madam, my leg became a little longer. Now for this madam, and now it does not size me anymore. She seems she wants to sleep. So Elizabeth is rocking it, and it's really really beautiful.
Elizabeth had a lot of shoes.
Elizabeth had a lot of shoes.
She has clothes that even in 1 month or 3 months
she can wear one.
and she will not go around. So
you know,
she have a lot of gifts from you people,
from you guys.
from
Like
people
you guys,
are wonderful.
You
guys are wonderful.
Did not tell them the price.
This shoe, how much did we buy it?
7.
No, we bought it 7,000 naira. This Elizabeth clothes is 10,000. What's were you not there?
Soup money. I was not.
Were you not there? She said soup money. So we wouldn't have bought it, we would have used it and buy soup.
I cook one
And cook one pot of soup.
This Beverly.
This Benny's clothes is the least, is the cheapest. Because this one is 3,500. Maybe 3-5 years.
This one for?
And those ones, these ones are for 4,000. Your own is 5,000.
You know, we Igbos, we one thing, like my wife now, she did not even make her nails. She only made long hair. That is touching her bum bum. That is the only thing she has done for herself in this December. Mama and Papa, don't worry. Me, I only bought 2 boxers. And she made her hair that is touching her bubble. So for our children to be clean, that is our pride. That is our happiness.
Yes, sir.
Let our children look good for us. We can manage what we have. We can maintain what we have, iron them and still wear them.
Yeah, then. We don't do our own Christmas
We
style.
don't do it. We don't do it. I appreciate you guys from January to this time. You guys have been following us. May the Lord continue to bless you guys.
Yes,
May
sir.
the Lord continue to replenish your pockets.
Amen.
Wherever you're getting money to buy data, the Lord will double them, double them, double them, double them. No plan of the enemy will come across your way. And so shall it be. In Jesus Christ's name. Amen.
Amen. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.
Love you guys.
Say hi, guys.
When I say
Come on,
bye,
say
guys,
hi,
just say hi, guys.
You don't want to allow me to say
Where were you?
Now, we don't want to allow you to say what?
Hi, guys.
Yeah, come and say hi,
Bye,
guys.
guys. Say hi, guys.
Come and say hi, guys, now.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Okay. Bye.
Say I love you guys.
I love you guys.
Mhm.
Bye.
Bye.
What do you have to say to your mom?
Ah,
Say, mommy, thank you so much.
Mommy, thank you so much.
Listen, what do you have to say?
Mommy, thank you so much. God bless you.
Amen.
Say, your children will do for you just as you have done for us. I say,
My children, let them do for me, just like I've done for. Okay, their own children will not come and do for me.
Bye.
Bye. Say it again.
everybody say it again.
Bye.
Bye.
Say short.
Mm.
Bye.